enough is enough. You've waited months, maybe even years. For what? For a decision on your immigration application. You followed up, sent emails, and tried everything, but IRCC still hasn't acted. It's frustrating, and it feels like your future is stuck in limbo. But what if I told you there is a way to fight back? A legal tool that can force Immigration Canada to make a decision. It's called a writ of mandamus. In this video, I'll explain what it is, when to use it, and how it can help you finally get the answer you have been waiting for, the answer you deserve. Hi, I'm Morteza, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and this is Visa Mondial channel. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a writ of mandamus? In simple terms, it's a legal order from the Federal Court of Canada and tells IRCC, you've taken too long, it's time to make a decision. It's not about cutting in line or getting special treatment. It's about holding IRCC accountable when they've delayed your application for no good reason. The court will look at how long your application has been stuck and whether the delay is justified. If they decide the delay is unreasonable, they can order Immigration Canada to process your application within a set time frame. It's usually 30 days. Now, when does it make sense to file a writ of mandamus? Here are some common scenarios. Your application has been delayed way beyond the normal processing time. For example, if IRCC says it takes 12 months, but it has taken 24 months with no updates. So it's usually twice as normal processing time. 2. You've won an appeal, but IRCC still hasn't acted. You have received a settlement offer, but the delays continue. You have followed up repeatedly, but Immigration Canada is not responding. The delay is causing serious harm. Maybe you are missing a job offer or there is a family emergency. If any of these sound familiar, a writ of mandamus might be the solution. But remember, it's a last resort. Make sure you've explored all other options before starting the writ of mandamus. So, how do you actually file a writ of mandamus? So, let me break it down into simple steps. First, you consult a lawyer. This isn't a do-it-yourself process. You will need an experienced immigration lawyer who knows the Federal Court of Canada rules and regulations, and they know the system inside out. So, they should be able to help you. Gather evidence. Collect all your documents, your application details, proof of delays, and everything, any communications and everything you've had with Immigration Canada. Send a demand letter. Before going to court, your lawyer will send a formal letter to Immigration Canada. He will give Immigration Canada usually 30 days to act. Sometimes sending this letter alone is enough to get things moving. File with the Federal Court of Canada. If Immigration Canada still doesn't act, your lawyer will file an application with the court. This includes a legal argument and all your evidence. Attend a hearing. If the court agrees to hear your case, you will present your arguments. Here's the good news. If the court rules in your favor, Immigration Canada must make a decision within 30 days. In some cases, just filing the writ is enough to push Immigration Canada to act. You may even recover some of your legal costs, but we don't recommend going after that. The process typically takes 2 to 6 months, but complex ones would take even around a year. You might be wondering, does it actually work? The answer is yes, absolutely. At Visa Mondial, we have helped hundreds of clients to expedite their process. The application that has been stuck for ages. Many of the applications got the approval just after sending the demand letter without even going to the court. And the best part, filing a writ of mandamus does not harm your original application. It simply forces Immigration Canada to do their job. So, if your application is stuck in Immigration Canada and you're tired of writing, calling, sending web forms, talking to MPs, whatever, writ of mandamus could be the solution, but it's not something you should tackle alone. It's not a do it by yourself application. You need an experienced lawyer. You need a team to help you, to guide you through the process. At Visa Mondial, we have helped countless clients get the results they deserve. If you're ready to take the action, reach out to us and then we'll help you to move your application. Let's get your application moving again. Okay guys, thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumb up and leave your comment. Tell me how long your application has taken with Immigration Canada, and please subscribe to our channel and make sure that you don't lose any of our videos. So see you in the next video.